Good morning to my lovely kids. Hope you all have a great day ahead. Standard 5, Subject English, Chapter 7, Major Dhyanchand. This lesson is adopted from Major Dhyanchand, a book written by Sanjay Dudhane, who is a sports writer. Major Dhyanchand was a great Indian hockey player. He was born on 29th August 1905 at Prayagraj, which is also known as Allahabad, which is situated in Uttar Pradesh. He died on 3rd December 1979. His full name was Dhyan Singh. He was given a nickname by the people, that is, the wizard. Wizard means a magician. He was awarded with Padma Bhushan. He won Olympic gold medals for our country in the year 1928, 1932, and 1936. In this chapter, we are going to learn about a small incident that took place in the Olympic Games, which was held in Berlin, Germany in 1936. Saturday, 15th August 1936. It was the day of the hockey finals during the Olympic events held in Berlin, Germany. Germany had defeated several teams to enter the finals against the Indian team. They were the hosts of the Olympics and they were sure of their victory. Perhaps that was the reason why their ruler Hitler had himself come to watch the match. Students, Olympic Games are held every 4 years. After 1928, it was held in the year 1932, and after that, it was held in 1936 at Berlin, Germany. All the day before, it had rained heavily. The entire field had become waterlogged. Waterlogged means extremely wet. But 15th August being the last day of the games, it was not possible to postpone the match any further. Postpone means to delay. The Indian team was a little under pressure as they had lost to Germany in the practice match and they were not very comfortable with the wet ground. About 40,000 people had gathered in the hockey stadium to cheer Germany against India. The Maharaja of Baroda state, the Prince of Bhopal, and a few other Indians had also come to support the Indian team. The match started exactly at 11 a.m. The German team had adopted a novel strategy of using the Indian technique of short distance passes against the Indian team itself. Novel means new or different. They had resorted to a very aggressive play. The Indian team was offering an equally strong resistance. No team could make a goal during the first half hour. During the 32nd minute, Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goalpost from a difficult angle. In the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. The entire team played as one and made three more goals against Germany. Two of them were made by the captain of the Indian team, Dhyan Chand. However, the German players were also trying their level best to win. They too succeeded in making one goal. Now, only a few last minutes were left. Dhyan Chand had resolved to win the match at any cost without allowing Germany to make any more goals. Resolved means to decide. His spiked shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast on the wet ground. He removed the shoes and the socks and began to run barefoot. Barefoot means without any shoes. Using his amazing skill of dribbling and his near magical game, he began to send one pass after another to the players in the D, that is, in the defenders or opponents area from where they could make goals. They too did not let the passes go waste. The Indian team scored 3 more goals. Dhyanchand could have easily made the goals himself from his own position, but he never played a selfish game. Skillfully, he took the ball away from the German defenders and made it possible for the players in the D to score goals. The German strategy had proved fruitless. Fruitless means of no use. A defeat stared them in the face. Some of the frustrated German players then resorted to a rough game. The German goalkeeper pounced on Dhyanchand and hurt him. But Dhyanchand was a true soldier. After a little first aid, he immediately returned to the field and held the spectators spellbound with his game. At last, he scored the last goal of the match just as the game drew to a close. The Indian team had won third time in a row. It was a hat trick. Indians were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medal. At last, Indian team won the Olympic game in 1936. Here, you can see the picture of our Indian hockey team. It was a proud moment for all. Although Hitler left the stadium before the match was over, he was impressed by Dhyanchand's game. It is said that the German dictator had offered Dhyanchand a higher salary and rank in the German army if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany. But Dhyanchand turned down the offer. After the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyanchand. You may be aware that hockey is our national sport. Major Dhyanchand's birthday, August 29, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyanchand. Who knows, perhaps one of you may carry the legacy of Dhyanchand further and win great glory for our country. Now, here are some difficult words which were given in the lesson. Waterlogged, which means extremely wet. Postpone, which means to delay. Dribbling, which means the skill of moving ball along the ground. Pounced, which means to attack somebody by jumping on him. Hope you all liked this lesson. Thank you. Happy learning to all.